Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to allow background sync permission in Chrome on your PC. Follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open Chrome. Launch the Chrome browser on your computer. Step 2. At the top right, click on More. It's represented by 3 vertical dots. Step 3. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will open the Chrome settings page. Step 4. Go to Privacy and Security. Scroll down the settings page and click on Privacy and Security. Step 5. Click on Site Settings. It can be found under the Permissions section. Step 6. Click on Additional Permissions. This will open a new window with additional permission options. Step 7. Open Background Sync. Locate the Background Sync option and click on it. Step 8. Finally, click on Recently Closed Sites can finish sending and receiving data. This will enable background sync for recently closed sites. That's it. You've successfully allowed background sync permission in Chrome on your PC. Now, your browser can sync data in the background for a seamless experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.